Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Google Colab in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Click File, then open Notebook to see tabs for Google Drive, GitHub, and Upload. Choose Upload to load a local. Open File or choose GitHub to open a repository notebook. Use the Drive tab to browse and open files stored in your Google Drive. The Colab interface looks like a Jupyter Notebook with a 16:9 editing area and visible run buttons. First, mount Google Drive to access notebooks and data by running the Mount command cell. Accept the authentication prompt and paste the authorization code into the input field. Install any missing packages inside cells using pip install or apt-get commands as required by your notebook. Adjust runtime settings to select CPU, GPU, or TPU based on your workload and enable hardware acceleration. Restart the runtime if the notebook runs cells individually with the play button, or press Shift-Enter to run them sequentially and see outputs. Monitor the runtime status in the top right and interrupt or restart the runtime if needed for errors. Colab autosaves to your Google Drive by default, so your edits persist automatically as you work on the notebook. To share or back up, use File, then save a copy in Drive, or File, then save a copy in GitHub to push changes to a repository. Download the notebook as IPN when you want a local copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.